Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Happy Friday the 13th. We have a little bit of a festive, spooky day today. 26 degrees, partly cloudy skies here in Helena, Great Falls. We are at 33 degrees with clear skies, so we could be dealing with a little bit of fog out into the north central plains this morning. Great Falls likely not, due to the slightly warmer temperatures there just south of a boundary, but most of us in the 20s and 30s south of that boundary, teens and single digits north. Air quality is a little scattered there, moderate to good across most of western Montana. We do have a lot of prescribed burns going on, so a little bit of valley inversions like in Helena. The Flathead Valley's good now, but it wasn't yesterday. We could be seeing a little bit of smoke in those valleys. Visibility down to 0 miles in places like Shelby. We do have a dense fog advisory out for that portion of the state this morning from Cut Bank all the way to Havre. Highway 2 going to be a little bit difficult to travel today due to some freezing fog concerns and visibility down to less than half a mile. Right now, there's a little bit of some snow activity showing up near Helena, but likely not falling to the ground. We do have some very dry surface conditions, likely just some virga up there. Great Falls is dry. A few snow showers into the southern Flathead Valley and up the Bitterroot Mountains here, but other than that, the state is dry. The Pacific Northwest, a little more active. Some snow making its way into western Idaho and southern Idaho here, northern Utah, Salt Lake City getting some nice snow right now. And then this system coming onto the coast is going to affect us this weekend and give us a little bit of some rain and snow in the higher elevations of western Montana. The rest of the United States, pretty inactive this morning. There's a little bit of rain moving through the deep south there, Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama this morning. So here's the future track for our states. A few showers remaining by about 9 o'clock in the Missoula Valley, the southern Flathead. Everybody else is dry and will stay dry throughout the day today. We actually will see some clearing skies here in Helena. We'll hit a high of about 45 degrees today. 50 out there in Great Falls. It's going to be a pretty beautiful day. The wind won't be so bad today, but tomorrow the wind will pick up across the north central plains. Could see some isolated wind gusts of 50 miles an hour. Could be looking at a Chinook arch cloud by tomorrow, so we could be waking up to partly to mostly cloudy skies in places like Cut Bank down the Great Falls. Helena could be clear, so just keep that in mind. That could keep temperatures a little bit warmer out there tomorrow morning for that region of the state. But look at this, precipitation moving into the state. Rain into the valleys, snow in the mountains. West of the Continental Divide through most of Saturday until a cold front pushes through Saturday night. And look at these heavier bands of snow, these deeper blues that move pretty close to Helena by about 1 o'clock Sunday morning. So early Sunday morning could see a brief burst of some snow here in Helena. Sunday late morning, some snow will be sticking around into southwest Montana, but by about Sunday night, we will dry up. A separate system comes in Monday afternoon-ish into Tuesday. Now, future track here is not really showing a lot of snow at all on Tuesday, but I think we do have the potential to see more with a north wind here upsloping with that low pressure system off to our east. It would be sitting right over southeast Montana. So I think there is the potential to see a little bit more snow than what the models are hinting at, but we will be dry going into the middle of next week. So through this weekend, not a lot of snow, mainly just for the mountains of southwest and northwest Montana. Everybody else will be mostly dry aside from a few rain snow mix showers down into southeastern Montana, but we advance this through the middle of next week. Could be looking at a little bit of lower elevation snow in places like Helena and Great Falls. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. We will be in the 40s for the remainder of this week, but going into next week, going to be quite cold. High pressure to our north will drive the north wind in and keep us cold through about the middle of next week.